I'm installing nvidia on fedora 40. So this is how it goes actually. So you need to disable the graphical target and disable the X11, and then build the init RAMFS and wait for the system to be, that RAMFS is built. And from here you see that actually it's a fedora 550 version 78 I'm installing, and fedora 40 is nvidia version 550 78 version is installing right now. Okay, now it is asking, hey, do you want to enable the X config? Restart the X server, yes. And that's it. And system is ready. Then now you need to run a command, which is you need to run this command. Actually, if you see here, and there is a command called sudo system ctl set the default you need to set your graphical target. And if you do that, it's created. So that's a command you need to run, and sudo reboot, and system will start. And if you run that, system will start now in the graphical mode. Wait for the boot command to come up, and here is a boot. The bootloader started, and once the bootloader started, you will be able to see the boot options. And this is where I installed my fedora, and right now 689 fedora 40 version is running. That is a kernel version, and you will be seeing the graphical version of the fedora, and it's starting fedora now. Boom, fedora started, and now you need to enter, and it's in graphical mode now actually. So you just enter your password, and fedora 40 version started. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.